Do you want to know how you can log in or register to your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in or register to Temu. Go ahead and open Google on your Chrome or Edge browser and then search for Temu. Now click on the first link which appears, which is the official site of Temu. You can see on the top right hand corner there is the option of sign in/register. Click on it and then you can log in with your Google, Facebook, Apple or your Twitter ID. So go ahead and choose whichever you want. Let me choose Google and click on my Google account. Press continue and in a while you can see that you have now logged in to your Temu account. I hope this video about how you can log in or register your Temu account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.